Welcome. If you've ever wanted to save your Facebook cover photo straight to your phone, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the updated steps so you can keep your cover image handy for later, whether you want to edit it, reuse it, or just admire your own design. First, grab your phone and open the Facebook app. Make sure you're logged into the account that owns the cover photo you want to save. This isn't about downloading someone else's cover. It's for your own profile. Next, head to your profile by tapping your profile picture. That's the shortcut that takes you to your personal timeline where your posts, photos, and cover image live. Once you're there, locate your cover photo and tap it. This will bring up a larger view of the image and give you a clearer look at the cover you've designed. Now, tap the cover photo again and select See Cover Photo. This option updates the expanded view to reveal the full version of your cover image, ensuring you're working with the highest quality version available on the platform. Look to the top right of the screen and you'll see 3 dots arranged in a small vertical or horizontal line depending on your device. Tap those 3 dots to open the options menu. It's where Facebook bundles quick actions for the photo you're viewing. From the menu that appears, choose Save to Phone. This action saves a local copy of your cover photo directly to your device's photo gallery or camera roll. Depending on your device, you might be prompted to confirm the save or grant permission for the app to access your photos. If so, grant the permission so the image can be stored properly. And that's all there is to it. You now have a personal copy of your Facebook cover photo on your phone, ready for any future tweaks, reuse, or sharing you have in mind. If you're planning a new cover design, this method makes it easy to retrieve your current image for reference, color matching, or inspiration. A quick tip: keep your cover photo file organized. Consider renaming the saved image with a date or a short descriptor so you can find it again easily later. If you run into any hiccups, try updating the Facebook app to the latest version or restarting your device, as sometimes small glitches can block the save feature. Thanks for watching.